course, a round of applause for the mother and son dance. Then, palakpakan po natin. And now, for the father and the daughter dance, so we're requesting Mr. Dante Gonzalez to fetch your daughter for your turning over ceremony. Okay, so the father and the daughter dance symbolizes that the bride now is ready to say goodbye to her family because she's now ready and prepared to establish her family together with the groom, brother Leopold. Okay, so that's it. Let's give a round of applause for Mr. Dante Gonzalez and the bride, Miss Jelly Jean Gonzalez Utrago. And finally, for the first waltz of the husband and wife.
One look at you,
Miss Jades.
my whole life was in line. I prayed for you before I got you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true. Sometimes
Again, so the first waltz of the husband and wife is usually done in Filipino wedding tradition, just to give a minute of sweetness for the newlyweds after the first hour of the night. Of course, the two doves are its color white, so it simply symbolizes the purity of love to each other. So that's what we're expecting from Brother Leobin and Sister Jelly Jean, their faithfulness to each other in their lifetime. And that is because the two doves, they chooses only one mate for a lifetime. So, pagtutukayin po natin ang doves. Kasabay po niyan, syempre, magkikiss po kayong dalawa ni Ma'am. At pag nagtuka po sila, magkikiss na po kayo.
Together could never be close enough for me. Feel like I am close enough to you. You and
Kahit pagdampingin nyo na lang po yung tuka nila. Okay na lang daw yung talagang magkikiss.
now that the wait is over.
One. Okay, and everybody, the count of 1 to 5. And as I say go, saka po ihagis. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go! Yan. Okay. So, yan po ay hudyan na next na po sa aking program ay pinakahihintay ng lahat. So, that is your meal time. And to make this organized, we would like to request the guests to please hop on the stage area, table by table, to have a souvenir group pictorial with the newlyweds before proceeding po sa ating buffet po sa likod. So we will be starting this with the guests seated from table number 1. Okay? And of course, now let's have the guests seated from table number 7. And be ready din po, guests from table number 8. Okay, Medyo makulit po yan. Yun, galing. Okay, and next. Guest seated from table number 8. Kayo na po yung next. So, please be ready na po dito sa ating red carpet area for your souvenir group pictorial with the newlyweds. Now for the family of the groom, let's have on stage the mother of Sir Leo.
All this pain is gonna be.
Ay, balik po dito yung family ng bride para yung mga asawa daw po kasali. At saka yung mga pamangkin. Yung mga asawa po ng kapatid ni Ma'am Jelly Jean. Ito po yung mga bayaw. Yung mga bayaw po ni Ma'am. Ayan. Sige po. So yung kanina po, immediate lang po yun. So nandito naman po yung mga bayaw. At syempre yung mga anak-anak po at pamangkin po ni Ma'am. Ayan, lapit na po ang mga pamangkin po ni Ma'am Jelly Jean.